Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today, we're diving into what I consider to be the best movable TV mount on the market, the USX Mount all-listed TV wall mount. Now, what sets this TV mount apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, it's designed to fit most 26 to 60-inch TVs, with a sturdy construction that can support up to 77 pounds. Whether you have a smaller TV for your bedroom or a larger one for your living room, this mount has you covered. But what really impresses me is its versatility. This mount offers a full range of motion, including swivel, tilt, and rotate functions. You can adjust the tilt by +5 degrees, -15 degrees to reduce glare, swivel it up to ±90 degrees, and even level it up to ±4 degrees for the perfect viewing angle. And for those tight spaces, this mount is a game changer. It can pull out to 16.7 inches or retract back to just 2.7 inches from the wall, saving valuable space in any room. Plus, you can manage your TV cables neatly with the included Velcros, keeping your space organized and clutter-free. Now, let's talk installation. With detailed instructions and all the hardware included in pre-labeled bags, mounting your TV has never been easier. And if you're mounting on concrete walls, they've got you covered with free concrete anchors shipped directly from the USA. But what if you're unsure if this mount will work with your TV? No worries. USX Mount provides professional 10-year customer service. Simply let them know your TV model, and their engineers will simulate the installation for you. So, if you're looking for the best movable TV mount that combines durability, flexibility, and ease of installation, look no further than the USX Mount all-listed TV wall mount. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy mounting!